Bake someone happy with this delicious mango cake.
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha.
So our set A is our dry ingredients. So we will measure out 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of cake flour. 1/2, 1/4, 2 tablespoons sift, baking powder, salt. Sift together, combine, and set aside. And I will now separate the eggs one by one using an extra bowl to make sure that I have fresh eggs and walang mahalo na spoiled eggs. Repeat. Again here. So I will measure out my canola oil. So you use canola oil because it's a light oil and it will allow your cakes to be moist. Sugar, mango juice, and vanilla, and whisk. And we will combine our cream of tartar and we will turn our mixer on medium. So we wait for it to become foamy before adding our sugar gradually. No? So ang ginagawa natin, we are aerating our egg whites. They become light and cloud-like. Now you will see, yan, I'm increasing the speed. Look at that, it's changing color now. And now it's the time to gradually add our sugar. A few more seconds. That's what we want. And now we will combine around 1/3 of your egg whites flour mixture, no? That's fine. I will add another third. Mix lang natin. Fold in, cut. Now we will add the last batch of our meringue and fold. Cut and fold. You see that now we have a very light batter. Yan. So we are folding our wax paper to line our baking pan and find the center of your baking pan, mark it, and you cut. So tamang kasya. Now we will fill our pan with our batter, divide it into two. Gently tap to release the large bubbles in your batter. Let's bake it for 30 minutes at 165 degrees Celsius. And use a toothpick to check if it is done. Let's make our very delicious mango buttercream. We start off with our butter at room temperature. We are using salted butter, but if you use unsalted butter, you may have to add salt. And we slowly drizzle our condensed milk and continue to beat our butter until it becomes light and fluffy. Now we add our mango puree, our powdered sugar, and a bit of vanilla. Start slow and let it speed up and whip until you have a light and smooth buttercream. Now we're ready to dress our cake. I'm also using a little bit of whipped cream in the middle with our slices of mango. Let's just cover our cake with our very delicious mango buttercream and top with our diced mangoes. Don't forget to brush your mangoes with a bit of corn syrup to keep its color. Bake someone happy with his all-time favorite mango cake, Simpol!